The Deutsche Werkbund was a German association of artists, architects, designers, and industrialists. The Werkbund was to become an important event in the development of modern architecture and industrial design, particularly in the later creation of the Bauhaus School of Design. Its initial purpose was to establish a partnership of product manufacturers with design professionals to improve the competitiveness of German companies in global markets. The Werkbund was less an artistic movement than a state-sponsored effort to integrate traditional crafts and industrial mass production techniques, to put Germany on a competitive footing with England and the United States. Its motto Vom Verkissen zum Stark-Currency DTEBAU indicates its range of interest. History: The Deutsche Werkbund emerged when the architect Joseph Maria Olbrich left Vienna for Darmstadt, Germany, in 1899, to form an artists' unregistered trademark colony at the invitation of Ernest Louis, Grand Duke of Hesse. The Werkbund was founded by Olbrich, Peter Behrens, Richard Riemerschmid, Bruno Paul and others in 1907 in Munich at the instigation of Hermann Muthesius, existed through 1934, then re-established after World War II in 1950. Muthesius was the author of the exhaustive three-volume The English House of 1905, a survey of the practical lessons of the English arts and crafts movement. Muthesius was seen as something of a cultural ambassador, or industrial spy, between Germany and England. The organization originally included 12 architects and 12 business firms. The architects include Peter Behrens, Theodor Fischer, Joseph Hoffmann, Bruno Paul, and Richard Riemerschmid. Other architects affiliated with the project include Heinrich Tessenow and the Belgian Henry van der Velde. The Werkbund commissioned van der Velde to design a theatre for its 1914 Cologne exhibition in Cologne. The exhibition was closed and the buildings dismantled, ahead of schedule, because of the outbreak of WWI. Lyle Saarinen was made corresponding member of the Deutsche Werkbund in 1914 and was invited to participate in the 1914 Cologne exhibition. Among the Werkbund's more noted members was the architect Ludwig Mies van der Rohe, who served as architectural director. Key dates of the Deutsche Werkbund: 1907, establishment of the Werkbund in Munich, 1910, Salon d'Automne, Paris, 1914, Cologne exhibition, 1920, Lily Reich becomes the first female director, 1924, Berlin exhibition, 1927, Stuttgart exhibition, 1929, Breslau exhibition, 1938, Werkbund closed by the Nazis, 1949, re-establishment. Most recently, the Verband Deutscher Industriedesigner and the Bund Deutscher Grafikdesigner Federation of German graphic designers held a joint meeting to celebrate the 100-year anniversary of the Deutsche Werkbund. A juried exhibition and opening was held on March 14, 2008. Museum der Dinge: The collections and archives of the Werkbund are housed at the Museum der Dinge in Berlin. The museum is focused on design and objects used in everyday life in the 20th century up to the present. Among other exhibits, it includes a Frankfurt kitchen. See also, BDG in German Wikipedia, New Objectivity, Modern Architecture. References. Further reading, Lucius Burckhardt. The Werkbund. Hyperion Press. ISBN 0-85072-108-3, Frederick J. Schwartz. The Werkbund, Design Theory and Mass Culture Before the First World War. New Haven, Connecticut: Yale University Press. ISBN 0-300-06898-0, Mark Jartzenbeck. Joseph August Laux, Werkbund Promoter, Historian of a Lost Modernity, Journal of the Society of Architectural Historians 63/1, 202-219. Ott Hoffmann im Auftrag der DWB, Der Deutsche Werkbund Euro 1907, 1947, 1987. Wilhelm Ernst & Son, Frankfurt 1987, ISBN 3-433-02268-2. Yuko Ikeda, Vom Verkissen zum Stark-Currency DTEBAU. Hermann Muthesius und der Deutsche Werkbund. Modern Design in Deutschland 1900 Euro 1927. Österlundskatalog. The National Museum of Modern Art, Kyoto 2002, ISBN 4-87642-165-X. Karl Ernst Oshorst Museum Hagen und Kaiser Wilhelm Museum Krefeld, Dastsche Paragraph nie und der Euro Deutsches Museum für one Quarter Kunstenhandel und Guben. Österlundskatalog. Pandora Snook Dwakaja and so on, Gent 1997, ISBN 90-5325-090-5. External links, media related to Deutsche Werkbund at Wikimedia Commons, official website, Werkbund Archive, Museum der Dinge, official site.